mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. 7 ka ni Bel Mariano kanina sa Girl Coded Convention. Tahasan ngang sinagot ni Bel Mariano ang mga doubters sa kanilang dalawa ni Donnie. Napahiyaw na lamang ang mga nanonood sa diretsahang sagot nga ni Bel.
Instead of proving your worth to doubters.
Ooh, green flag.
Green ba to?
Green flag, yes. Of course, I think para by the end of the day, we seek our identities and we seek validation within ourselves and through our faith and through you guys, our supporters. So these doubters and these people who really don't matter, like, you take their criticism as something that would help you grow. Pero that you don't have to prove anything to them because you know who you are.
Absolutely. That was actually something that in our passion panel kanina they were talking about. Because relationship question, saying I'm fine when you're absolutely not fine.
Red flag. I feel like the key to a good relationship is really communication. So if you communicate well, you'd find that harmony and balance between the both of you. And if you're just gonna be like, no, I'm fine, even if you're not fine, you have to be open about it. And that's the beauty of being in a relationship.
Right. And I think that applies even not just to love and relationship.
Yes, of course. In general. Like,
life.
Yes.
Absolutely. Okay, let's go to friendship and social.
I know you're a little bit tired and everyone will be, but of course the lovely fans would not want to miss a short message from you how much you enjoyed today. So just a closing message to our open.
Wow, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Sunday na yan, di ba? Saturday pa lang. Thank you for spending your Saturday with me. Now that it's Women's Month, I just want to remind you all, let's keep uplifting each other.